1st of July marks a significant day for Schmersal India. It was before 13 years on 1st of July, they opened their manufacturing facility at Ranjangaon, Pune. With a strong investment, Schmersal have opened their Global Competence Center here in Pune, which will enhance the capabilities of industrial safety in India.
Welcome to the next chapter of Schmersal in Make in India. We see India as a growing market with specific needs based on the local and global standardization. We learn every day from our customer here in India different needs and different behavior, and we listen to our customer. Therefore, we came up with a passion to set up our own production as well as our own R&D. You see, first time in the row, most of the products which are made in India. And this is something which is in line with a strong transformation in industrial growth in India.
Here we are able then to support from India to Asia, to Europe and to the whole world of Schmersal when it comes to global competency centers in terms of R&D and IT infrastructure.
India is to continue pushing and continue with the spirit that you have currently. It's inspiring to watch, and I hope to take that home with me to inspire my own team.
Germany and India's relationship has moved from a mere trade partnership to co-innovative ecosystem. Schmersal's opening and inauguration of the Global Competence Center is such an example, a testimony to what this implies, this bilateral Indo-German innovative ecosystem.
We congratulate Schmersal for this wonderful expansion today, which paves the way for future success. We are very, very certain that technology cooperation is the way to go when it comes to Indian-German collaboration in the future.
And India as a growing country, especially in technology, can benefit from the experience of European environment. We are working also in that direction to make sure that the ecosystem, that the Indian companies and European companies can meet and grow and exchange together information and to develop new products and new systems.
We bring from Brazil new global manufacturing perspectives for Schmersal in India.
So our global team at Schmersal is the biggest asset we have worldwide. The growth the company has achieved over the last years would not have been possible without that amazing team, and we try every day to foster our company culture, to make it a great place to work for everybody, to be able to grow further with that fantastic team.
I would like to invite and welcome all of you to be part of the ceremony of the new office. We have a marketing gallery where we demonstrate the product. We have demonstrated the 80 years of the journey of the Schmersal. We have a team of the GCC helping into the software development and embedded team. And then we have a people from the Technicum who is helping industry for the safety assessment. And then we have a sales and application team who is serving customer for understanding their requirement and fulfill their expectation.